Okay, we're going to try this onboarding again. This video might be all over the place because it keeps crashing. So, we're back to the onboarding, and it's warning us it's going to be very, very powerful. So we're going to say yes to that. We're going to say yes to quick start. We are going to use Open Router. And we're going to use a new model that's out. Nobody knows what it is, but it's free, so we're going to try that. So I need to put my API key in. I'm just going to put you on pause because I'm not going to show that to you. Okay, we're going to use this one instead, Pony Alpha. I can't seem to see the new one that came out that no one knows what it is. Maybe it's because no one knows what it is, it can't be searched on here. So we'll stick with this free one, Pony Alpha. Apparently it's alright, so we'll see how that works. Do it with Telegram. Usual with the bot father, I'll go get my token and then I'll come back to you. Okay, I've done the token, recommended skills, yes. Show homebrew, yes. NPN, yes. We skip for now. Got to select one, haven't we? We'll go with. Let's have a look. Which ones do we want? I will just say GitHub. That'll be a no. Oops, come off there. No, 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 no. I'm going to skip them. Initializing gateway services. And there we have that loaded. We're just going to do the hatch in TUI. Let it run. All being well, we'll get a hello, here I am. What should we call my message? And that's jobs are good, and it's up and running. And that, my friend, will be totally for free. So free AWS with 8 gigs, and I think it's 100 gigs of memory or whatever, and free Pony Alpha. So there we go. Fresh blue, blank slate, all good. So there you have it, we're up and running. So thanks very much for watching. That's how you get a free OpenClaw. See you next time.